how to search for a person on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can search for a person on Pinterest. Begin by opening the Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you will see 5 different icons. Click on the message icon located next to the create icon labeled notifications. You will reach to this page where you will see a search bar with the option to search by name or email. Tap on the search bar to begin. Type the username of the person you are searching for. If the person has signed in with Google, their username might be their Google email address. Exclude the @gmail.com part from the username. After entering the username, click on the next button. You will be presented with a search result. Look for the profile of the person you are searching for and click on it. A check mark will appear next to the selected profile. Click on the next button at the top of the screen. You will be directed to the person's chat page. And congratulations, you have successfully searched for a person on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.